Sheridan from Sustainability Consult, and I'm joined at ecochem by Andy Shafer, Executive Vice President for Sales and Marketing from Elevance. Andy, what are you doing here at ecochem today?
We're very pleased to be at ecochem. The conference has done a very good job of bringing together the range of people across the industry and throughout the value chain, from one end of the spectrum to the other, to talk about sustainable chemistry, and we're here to talk about what we bring to that industry.
It's a very exciting industry, very exciting sector. So what are you going to be talking about specifically from Elevance?
So we'll be introducing the concept of renewals.
Okay.
Renewals are a category of products, building blocks, and ingredients that bring together the ability to deliver things that haven't been done in the industry before. Much like nutraceuticals brought together nutrition and pharmaceuticals into a new category of products, we think that this industry is ready for those kinds of advances.
And last week you made an announcement, a new product launch.
Yes, we're very engaged in making renewals happen. So we introduced last week two product lines in personal care, our Elevance Smooth products and Elevance Soft products. They are two of our ingredients that we'll be providing. A couple weeks before that, we announced one of our key building blocks, the inherent C18 diacid material, which also is a key building block that is coming forward.
And these products are all 100% renewable, 100% plant-based?
The personal care products are 100% renewable. The inherent products are made from palm oil.
Okay, yeah. So they're bio-based?
They are.
Okay. And so just talk to us a bit more about this renewals idea, because this is quite exciting, I think.
What we think is that bio-based and renewable, which are two of the buzzwords of the green chemistry or sustainable industry, are very exciting aspects of it, but they're not new. Mankind, from the beginning of civilization, has used renewable materials to meet our needs. What we see is the need not only to use those kind of materials, but to deliver performance that couldn't be done before. Because with the population growing over the next 25 years from 7 to 9 billion people, we need not only to go to renewable materials, but to get materials that do things that we can't do today.
So you're amping up, you're increasing and improving the renewable materials that we have today through your new products.
We're really putting a magnifying glass on the challenge that we have. It's not just about renewable, it's about better performance.
Yeah. And so delivering the performance and the sustainability profile for the future of your products. Now, I think you're also making an announcement at ecochem this week.
So it would be announcing the concept of renewals and what we're doing to make it happen.
Excellent. Well, we're looking forward to hearing more about that. How do you sort of see things going with Elevance? I mean, what's going on with the company right now?
We have a lot of exciting things happening.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
In July, we announced the startup of our first world-scale biorefinery. It's a 180,000 metric ton biorefinery in Southeast Asia. It's a joint venture with Wilmar International, and that plant is up and successfully operating at its designed rates and supplying product to our customers on a commercial scale. Following that, we announced the inherent C18 diacid product. We'll be talking at the conference here about the other products that are in the inherent product line. And then, as you mentioned, we introduced our first lines of Elevance ingredients, the personal care products, the Elevance Soft and Elevance Smooth materials. And we have more to come in the Elevance ingredients category here later this year.
I'm sure there's a lot of excitement about those new personal care products. I mean, you're looking at replacing some other materials where there might be some concern.
We're replacing a lot of materials that the personal care industry would like to find alternatives for, but as it fits with renewals, can't find solutions for up until today.
Right, so you're going to offer the performance as well as a substitute.
Exactly.
Okay. So what are you hoping to get from ecochem?
Hoping to see some excitement and some momentum around the industry. I think really it's a time for the industry to talk about some of our successes and some of the things that are really beginning to happen. Having been in the space for about 10 years now, it's really exciting to see many of the things starting to come to market.
Yeah. All right, well, Andy Shafer, thank you so much.
Thank you.